Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh my God.
Have you seen a sweet potato like that in the store? That's crazy.
Yes,
Feel this. Today we're harvesting some sweet potatoes. We kind of just planted these and let them do their thing. We didn't do much maintenance or pull any weeds or anything. So we're walking into an interesting situation, but we can already see some sweet potatoes sticking out of the ground. So we're excited to see what we find. Choose your weapon. Oh, here's one. Wow.
nice.
Ooh, I see two. Wow. Look at that root. Oh my gosh.
Oh
Wow.
my God.
Have you seen a sweet potato like that in the store? That's crazy.
Yes,
Feel this.
that's like a meal for two.
Or a baby. Oh my gosh, come get a view of this. There's two huge ones.
So they like to grow right next to each other.
Yeah,
Tail.
got a little tail. Oh my gosh, there's more.
What?
Who knew? There's more down there. Dang. I bet there's more underneath that last place. I might need you to get this one, babe. There's all this heavy clay on it. Whew. Labor of love. So all these and one more came from just this one spot. Do you want to try and find some? And
Yeah.
switch.
Clear some space. Oh, here's some. It's a little worm. Oh. All right.
Yeah.
Nice cluster. Feel like an archaeologist.
There's one on your hand.
Oh, didn't even notice. Oh, more over here. Let's see. It's a nice little. Palm up here. Oh yeah.
I remember my first sweet potato.
Don't want to break them.
Oh my gosh.
It's like giving birth. Wow.
Put it next to your head for comparison. He's got an average size head, so we're looking at an above average sweet potato. It's awesome.
Wow. Nice. Oh, another big boy.
So do sweet potatoes, you plant them... So talk to us about planting sweet potatoes.
All we did was we planted them in the summer. I think we planted them in July. We bought them from slips, sweet potato slips. Planted them in rows, probably 4 feet in between rows, and maybe like a foot in between the slips. And we have pretty heavy clay soil. We added some mulch on top. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then, what is it? So it's October, July, August, September. Like 3 or 4 months later. Just keep coming out. Ooh. It looks like an organ.
Mm-hmm. Heart.
Yeah, it looks like a heart. Vessels.
We keep talking about it, and I was like, oh, we could always give 1/10 of our crop, like, to people, like friends and family or people in need. So it's like we're giving back what we got. All right, we found another variety. I think we're looking at our Japanese sweet potatoes. You see a bright purple peeking through. We're also not sure if they're done yet, but we're gonna go for it. Wow, there's a worm right there, and it's maybe it's coincidental, but it's like the same color as the sweet potato. You seem more delicate. I already accidentally broke it.
Much smaller.
Well, I'm glad this wasn't the first thing that we took out of the ground today. a little underwhelming, but cool to see the colors. Cut! I'm not trying to hate on this potato, but I mean, my guess is that these aren't ready yet and could use some more time in the ground.
We hope you enjoyed the video of us picking the sweet potatoes for the first time.
We're feeling great right now. We did leave the Japanese sweet potatoes in there for a little bit longer. Hopefully they grow a little bit, and so we will pick those maybe in a couple weeks. But in the meantime, we are going to look up sweet potato recipes. So if you have any that you can share with us, we much appreciated, because yeah, it's a big sweet potato.
Yes, so we looked up what to do next, and people recommend curing them. You don't technically have to, but if you cure them, then they become sweeter. So we'll probably put these in our crawl space for maybe a week or so, but we might just cook some today as a celebration.
As always, thanks for watching our videos. We love sharing this journey with you guys and look forward to seeing you next time.